Okay, I have some new Angry Birds, only Vincent. We're gonna make our Angry Birds plush collection, not part 2, but I guess we did part 1, but I didn't say. So here's our red, but I got new Angry Birds. Here's our red bird. It makes sound, but nothing. Okay. Then we have our blue bird, which makes sound. Ignore the kitchen noise. Here's our yellow bird. He does not make sound, but he's awesome. I don't even have 2 anymore. Same thing with the black bird. I don't even have 2. This black bird does not make noise. Black bird does not make noise. He's pretty awesome. But he doesn't have fire on his head. Here's my white bird. He does not make sound, but I know their names are there. I'll tell you at the end. So here's white bird. Okay. Here's big brother bird. Oh yeah, big brother bird next. So his sound broke. I think one time I did. I think it was not actually my dad, the old house. This is the one I did my part 1. Okay, this is my green bird. I make sound. Don't put your hand in the video. Okay. So he's my favorite. The red. I don't think here's the orange bird. It's not with my sister. Ignore my sister's cry. So here's little orange bird. Big sound. So fun. Here's the, I think 12-inch or 8-inch orange bird. When the orange bird gets hit, it's okay if he just turns back. He just turns red. Okay, now it's going to pig. Wait a second, I'm trying to remember. How is it away? Here's my normal pig.
Está haciendo video. For YouTube.
Ignore the noise. So here's this. It's just my mom.
Buenas.
Ignore the phone noise. Hold up. Here's my pint.
Buenas. ¿Cómo está Cale?
You guys.
Siento mucho calor.
Ay,
Oh wait.
qué buena. ¿Y la lluvia?
Bien.
Bien.
Deportivo Cali también.
Ah, sí, bueno.
Ignore the noise, guys.
¿Deportivo Cali qué?
No.
Okay.
Ah. ¿Y América?
America. We'll make America.
¿Está qué?
En la segunda categoría.
Ah.
What up, guys?
Ay,
Okay.
bueno.
Chao.
Chao.
Bye. See you later.
Bye. And say bye to someone on the phone. Here is my flying pig. Makes no sound. No, I was pressing it. The next pig in the game is Mustache Pig. He does not make sound. I like this pig. I think he's very good. Video I watched that. does make sound. So here's the little king pig, which he does make sound like the other video. I think this video will be called Vincent's Angry Bird Collection Part 2. Angry Bird Collection 2. We're not finished. There's female pig that makes sound. This is actually for my baby sister. You want to keep it? Watch it. Okay, we'll get onto the girl bird. After the pigs. So this giant plains pig or something, he makes sound. If you can't hear, he does make sound. Okay, here's this giant king, 8-inch king pig, the crown falling off. Oh, he does not make sound. Here is the 8-inch Holland pig. He too bright over there. The lights on. So, oops. He does make sound, but his sound is a little weird. It's so low. Oh, you can't even hear it. Okay. Let's go into the little bird. Well, here's my cooked red bird. Sorry about that. Well, my red bird, pencil copper, which these do not make sound. Because they don't make sound. Here's my beanbag, yellow beanbag pig. I can't find my beanbag red bird. He's in my room that I don't even know where it is. So here's hard red bird. I can't find my hard white bird. I have 4. So my 4 ones are hard red bird, hard white bird, hard red bird, hard blue bird, hard black bird, hard yellow white bird. These are hard, they don't make sound. Here for your backpack pig. Okay. Here's my female white bird, which is white bird's wife or something. This is actually the normal pig's wife. And this is the dad. Even though this is small, it's not really the wife. But it is. I pretend it is. So I know this is small, but it is really the wife. So it makes sound. If you can't hear it, it does make sound. Oh, the pigs are falling down. Okay, now it's going to my Christmas birds. I have 1. We'll get on to new birds right now. So here's my Christmas blackbird. Makes no sound. I got it from a store. But on my birthday, I'm going to get a new Angry Bird plush. It's going to be the pumpkin pig. My dad's going to get it on mine, I think, when I'm at school. In 2nd grade, because I'm already in 2nd grade. Okay, space birds. Here is my space red bird. He's awesome. He has a mask. He makes sound. Okay, and he's a new space bird, which is the lightning bluebird. Space makes sound. I got him offline, but he does make sound offline. I don't know how to cost. Lazy bird. I think I got it from Toys R Us. Actually, I did get that from Toys R Us. I think this one did that. The green one started last year. So I don't have all of the stickers. I'm missing the green bird, the big terrence or something, whatever it's called, the green terrence or the. He makes sound, the purple bird. He really is called Laser Bird. Here's the firebomb bird. He does explode. Even though he has fire, it doesn't make fire. It takes fire. So he has his egg destroyed here or something with a circle around it. It looks like I don't know what the first called, but it's pretty cool. Okay, my last new space bird. I got him offline, and he makes sound, and he's very awesome. The ice bird. The beak. He's awesome, very awesome. I know the background noise at kitchen or something. That's what I said a lot of times. Like over and over again. So here's the ice bird. Makes sound. He's awesome. Well, just a boy talk. Okay. I'm going on tutorials now. And I try to look for my monkey. I don't know where he is. I'll find him after the video. The next time I'll make a part 3 video with my monkeys. I do have him, but I can't find him. I know he's in there somewhere.
Hey, you're making a video. Come on.
I think he's somewhere here. So, here's Nico. I don't even have all the space to make sound. I don't even have all of the real birds. And I think actually you don't even know this bird. I found it from Toys R Us. It's called the purple bird. Not from Angry Birds. The tag just says Angry Birds Real. I don't know what is his name, or I don't even. You have to find out what his name is, Angry Birds Real. He makes sound. Oh, I found a green one too, but not kind of green bird. Okay, now I'm going to the 8-inch birds. The 8-inch are my last. The 8-inch birds is the last one. Or the big birds. Three of them. I found the 8-inch yellow bird at Toys R Us, but I didn't get him. So here it is. It is red. Makes sound. 8-inch blue bird. He's awesome too. My black bird. Okay, hold on. I know it's my noise. This is my favorite bird. He explodes. And I don't know where he's at. 8-inch black bird. He's my favorite bird in the big birds. I think everything.